we already requested last November 23 through the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes for the inclusion of Mr. Saldico in the Interpol Red Notice. Noon pong November 23 pa po.
Kamusta po ang status po natin?
Well, we've been doing constant monitorings, and the last time we checked this morning, nalaman namin it's still being evaluated by the Interpol's Notices Diffusion Task Force. The request is being evaluated in terms of its form and substance.
Yung mga ganyan, sir, gano'n po ba katagal? Bago ma-approve?
Well, may mga iba na mabilis na na-approve. May mga iba naman na medyo it takes time. Kaya po kinakailangan natin sagiin.
Sir, moving forward, in case po na ma-approve po, ano pong mangyayari sa mga yung pag-deportation, possible deportation?
Okay, what will happen is that the Interpol will notify all of its member states na meron na pong red notice, and that there is a warrant of arrest issued by a member state coming from its local court. So, sabi ko po, bagamat hindi valid o walang effectivity o ang warrant of arrest issued by a local court before the jurisdictions where that Mr. Saldico will be found, ito po ay nangangahulugan na hindi pwede magamit yung warrant of arrest. However, alam naman po natin that the passport has been cancelled, so undocumented alien na po si former Congressman Saldico, kaya pwede pong ma-aresto naman yan by virtue of the violation of the immigration laws ng country kung saan matatagpuan.
Sir, is there a possibility that he's using
In verifying whether the name which was used, in the event meron nga, is actually used for purposes of leaving the country and entering another jurisdiction.
Sir, if not mistaken, ang last info ni SILG nasa Portugal. Do you have other talaga siya?
Well, we are actually verifying that. I do not want to confirm, pero meron kaming efforts in verifying yung information na yan.
Sir, yung search warrant kahapon, kamusta po?
Well, the search warrant implementation was a success. We were able to secure a lot of documents, and there was cash, although minimal lang. All of these documents and yung cash at saka lahat ng nakuha were written in an inventory sheet which was also furnished the lawyers of the respondent. Now the search warrant and the inventory sheet will be forwarded to the issuing court for the proper disposition by the court.
How much po yung cash?
Maliit lang siya, minimal lang, napaka-konti lang.
May range po ba yan?
Siguro mga 10,000 pesos lang.
Sa document, sir, any details na
Well, ang masasabi ko lang po, ang mga dokumentong ito definitely have bearing in our investigation. Ang gagawin po dito is we will cross-reference and counter-check with information we already received or testimonies given by witnesses who came forward para malaman po natin kung ang value nito is importante para po sa ating pag-decide kung makakasuhan ng kaso. Makakasuhan ang mga tao nating inimbestigahan.
Sir, may mga bonds po tayo dito, sir.
Opo, tatlo po siya in fact.
Doon po ba nakita yung cash?
Mga dokumento po, most of the documents for actual
Saan po nakita yung cash po, sir?
Hindi ko po masagot for now, pero sabi ko nga po, minimum lang naman po ito.
Sir, doon sa documents, may mga pangalan po ba tayong nakita?
Mayroon po, pero we are not at liberty to disclose that at the moment.
Can we say na mga public officials, elected officials?
Hindi ko pa po masasagot yan. On a later date, when we already have the clearance, we will definitely notify you.
Sir, mga listahan ng mga flood control project, may nakita rin po ba kayong dokumento?
Opo, i-confirm po namin yan. Meron po tayong mga nakitang dokumento. Sabi ko nga po kanina, all of this we will be disclosing to the public when the clearance is already given.
Sir, based on your assessment, gaano kalakas itong mga ebidensya na ito?
Well, the NBI would like to believe that the evidence we collected by virtue of the search warrants are actually very important. Kasi nagmamatch po ito sa ating mga earlier na nakita. Kaya lang nga po, ang sabi ko, hindi namin ma-release ngayon because we do not want to compromise whatever efforts and actions that we are undertaking right now.
Sir, tama nung natapos na warrant effort.
Opo.
Anong oras po natapos?
Kaya natapos po ito around 12:30 po ng umaga.
Madaling araw na po. Moving forward, sir, ano pong gagawin po natin sa court?
Gaya po ng binanggit ko kanina, the process would involve the applicant preparing a return of the search warrant to the issuing court. I-attach din po dito yung inventory sheet. Pagkatapos po, we will await for the disposition from the court. So, ano po ang susunod natin gagawin.
Sir, subsequently, matatapos na rin po yung inspection order since you
Opo.
already seized up.
Opo.
Sir, sabi niyo po kagabi, after na makapag-provide ng sheet gagawa po ng post-operation report. Nandun na po ba kayo sa stage na yun o babalik pa po kayo doon?
In fact, the agents already prepared the post-operation report, submitted to the director in our operation center.
Meaning to say, satisfied na po tayo sa mga ebidensya na kuha po natin?
Well, I'm not saying that satisfied tayo. Ang ibig lang natin sabihin, na-terminate natin yung search. Ibig sabihin, kung anong kailangan natin, ay nakuha na natin. Okay, salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Andrea, ma'am.
There might be a possibility that the director will be calling a press con. But kahapon po, nagre-report na po ang ating
So pagkatapos po ng binigit ko kanina, constantly reporting naman po si Director Magno sa Malacanang.
Thank you, sir. Kung touch